Okay, let's proceed to uh, M practice problem number 3. Find the probability that our standard normal value is Z is greater than or equal to negative 1.5 but is less than or equal to 0.5. So our solution will be the tau of 0.5 minus the tau of negative 1.5, which is equal to 0.69146246113 minus 0.06680720013. The final answer is 0.6247. Using our Math Portal J calculator, so our answer is a 0.6247. I hope you can do it by yourself using the mathportal.org that I have given you in our previous lesson. Number 4. Find the probability that Z is greater than or equal to 2.33. So our solution will be 1 minus tau of 2.33, which is equal to 1 minus 0.9900969244. The final answer is 0.099. So, verifying our answer using the mathportal.org for our probability of Z is greater than 2.33. The answer is 0.0099, which is the same. Number 5. The probability that our Z is less than or equal to negative 1.96. So our solution, the tau of negative 1.96 is equal to 0.0249978951. And we can have our final answer to be 0.0250. Using our math portal, we can say that the answer is the same. It is correct. And then number 6, find the probability that Z lies between negative 0.25 and 1.75. So, we are required the probability that our Z is greater than or equal to negative 0.25 but is less than or equal to 1.75. So, our solution will be the tau of 1.75 minus the tau of negative 0.25. We have the final answer, 0.5586. Using our math portal, the probability or the area is 0.5586 and the illustration is shown in the figure. Probability number 7. Find the probability that our Z is less than or equal to 0. So we are required to determine the probability. So by symmetry, the tau of 0 is 0.5. Final answer, 0.5. Using our math portal, the answer is 0.5. And you'll see that the shaded area is half of the bell shape. We know that the area under the bell shape is 1.0. So half of 1.0 is zero point 0.5. Practice problem number 8. Find the probability that z is greater than 1.96. So we are required here the probability that z is greater than 1.96. So the answer, the solution will be 1 minus the tau of 1.96. And the final answer is 0.0250. Using our math portal, as you can see, the shaded area there is the one that is the area to be determined. It is 0.025, which is way below the total area of the area under the curve, 1.0. Number 9. Find the probability that z is less than negative 2.58, ay greater than negative 2.58, but is less than 2.58. So our solution will be tau of 2.58 minus the tau of negative 2.58. Substitute the date, the value. The final answer is 0.9901. Using our math portal, we have the area under the shaded portion is equal to 0.9902. So that means that is in our 99 rule. Remember, it's a mu, a twice the standard deviation away from the mean. Number 10. Find the probability that z is greater than or equal to negative 1.0 but is less than or equal to 1.0. So our solution, tau of 1 minus the tau of negative 1, the final answer is 0.6827. Using our math portal, it is 0.6826. Okay, so let's proceed with number 11. Find the z-score that corresponds to the 90th percentile. So we're given a standard normal distribution required z-score such that the probability of our standard normal variable z is less than or equal to z is 0.90, which is the 90th percentile. The solution is the inverse of our tau, 0.90. The answer is 1.28, 155, Our final answer is our z-score is approximately 1.2816. And then using our MATLAB, our math portal, the answer is z is equal to 1.282. Okay? Number 12. Find the z-score that corresponds to the 25th percentile. So, our solution will be inverse tau of 0.25. So, the final answer is z-score is approximately negative 67.45. And then, using our math portal, you'll have the answer 0.674. The answer here is 0.6745. What we have here is 0.674. So it matches. Number 13. Find the score that leaves 5% in the right tail. So our solution is the right tail of 0.05. That's cumulative 0.95. So Z is equal to inverse tau of 0.95. Our final answer is 1.6449 using our math portal. There is none. It should have to be the same, 1.6449. Number 14. Find the score that leaves 2.5% in the left tail. So our solution, inverse tau of 0.025, the answer is negative 1.96. Yes, using our math portal, the answer is negative 1.959. So, negative 1.96 and negative 1.959, well, we can say it's correct. So, you can use any of the value. Practice problem number 15. Find the middle 95% range of Z-scores, the cutoff values. So our solution, middle 95%. So the lower is 2.5% and the upper is 97.5%. So our cutoff is the inverse of 0.025. And the inverse of inverse tau of 0.975 is 1.956. So the final answer, the Z-scores are negative 1.96 to positive 1.96. And that's our middle 95% of the Z-score. So Z is negative 1.959. And of course, the other one is the positive value. And that is the positive value, 1.961. Take note that here we have the p-value 0.025. Our Z is 1.959 using our math portal. I have already given you the link in our lesson number 11. And for the p-value 0.975, our Z is 1.961. So, practice problem number 16. What Z-score separates the lower 10% from the rest? So, our solution, Z is equal to inverse tau of 0.10. And the final answer is negative 1.2816. Using our math portal, for the p-value 0.10, the Z is negative 1.281. So here you have negative 1.2816. What we have here is negative 1.281. So therefore, it matches. We will have the next part of our lesson.